In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Trump coin, one of the meme coins launched by Trump a few days before the inauguration. And I'll show you the easiest way to buy this coin using your mobile device. So let's take a quick look at the Trump coin on CoinMarketCap app. So right now it's listed at number 24 and it has performed really well in the last few days. So the highest price is around 74 on the chart. So I get 73.86 here. And it has really done well in the last few days, reaching about 484% in 90 days. So this is a meme coin that's just been around hype, no use case. So how do you buy this coin? If you don't want to go through the contract address, the very first thing you want to do is to download bybit. Once you download this app from your Play Store and Apple Store, register with the link I've shared in the description and use my referral code to gain bonus while you register. So the first thing you want to do after registration is to verify your account. The standard account verification is enough for you to carry out this transaction at ease. So the very first thing you do to buy this coin is to go to the markets or the trade. But let's go to the trades immediately. So when you're on the trades page, all right, let's scroll down a bit for us to see clearly. You make sure that you're using the Trump/USDT pairs or whatever stable coins you want to trade against. So to do that, you click on this trading pairs, then look for the trading pair for Trump by typing Trump on here. Then you select from the list of this trading pair under spot trading. Okay, so I'll use USDT option. Then the next thing you want to edit here is this available market. So I'll click on this section, and usually by default it's on limit. I'll change it to market. I changed it to market because I want to buy it as fast as possible because it's a fast moving coin. So I'll allow the market to determine the buying price for me. Then I'll enter the value of USDT I would like to buy it. Let's say I want to buy 200 USDT worth of Trump coin. And once I'm ready, I now click on buy, and that's good. Now, the second method to use is to use the convert option. To access the convert option, you can scroll to your home page where you see this tiny little menus here. So you select convert from there. Then you select from the top where it says amount. So you select from, you want to use USDT. I've been using USDT as a stable coin in this video, to Trump coin. So when you're typing to search for Trump, make sure it's the official Trump coin because there are a lot of fake Trump coins out there that can make you lose your money. So once you've arranged the setup this way, you now type the amount of USDT you want to buy with. Right now, I don't have any USDT balance on this account, that's why it shows this way. But once you type in the amount you want to buy, it shows the quantity of Trump coins it amounts to. Then you click on quote and continue to convert, and you'll have it bought into your wallet. So that's basically how to buy Trump coins using this bybit exchange mobile app. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned something new, give it a like, share with your friends so I've been finding it difficult to buy Trump coin on the market. Until next time, take care of yourself and see you in the next video.